Welcome to Global Markets Roundup. Weekly updates on global gold markets, global stock markets, global currency markets, and global economic outlook. Myself, Sajid Kumar. Global gold market update. Last week, international gold market closed at US dollar 1,964 per ounce, slightly down compared to the last week. So gold was just making a temporary pause for retesting for US dollar 2000. Investors were focusing still on stock market, even though reports were saying that stock markets are overvalued. US dollar last week was weakening, that was a little bit supportive for gold. India's July import on gold, that was 5 months high, reported. The city of gold, Dubai, also quoted 237 dirhams per gram. The newly launched US gold, that is $2,540 per ounce. Gold exchange traded fund and futures and options was also showing that weak trend last week. However, let us see whether gold will retest at $2,000 next week. Global stock markets update. Last week, US had started accelerating their stock markets with a positive economic notes and also emphasizing that stock markets are only the alternative options for investments in the current COVID-19 pandemic situations. So US markets are also erasing their 2020 old losses and making a curve for all-time high in stock markets. Following to US stock markets this week, India Sensex and Nifty also started accelerating Indian markets and getting ready to retest Sensex to 42,000 level. Let's see next week. So global trends are also very much positive for Indian stock market for next week. So BSE Sensex last week closed to 39,467 and that is 353 points up. NSE Nifty closed to 11,647, 88 points up. Gulf stock markets that shown a mixed trend last week. Dubai Financial Market closed at a negative 19 points down. Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange was slightly up 5 points. Saudi Stock Exchange was flat closing. Qatar Exchange 16 points down. Oman Muscat Securities 10 points down. Kuwait Stock Exchange was showing 24 point up and Bahrain Exchange was closed at 4 points down. Next week is very much crucial for all stock markets, whether they will retest 2020 last high or, as per experts, the reports, stock markets are overvalued and is there any chance to see massive sell-off? However, FIIs are continues to buy in India. Foreign institutional investments are continuing. Currently, investors are not having much options to invest. So watch closely on stock markets and invest wisely. Global currency market update. Last week, Indian rupee has touched a 6 months high and marked rupees 73.30 per US dollar. Foreign institutional investors were also pumping money to Indian stock market and international crude price fall were supportive measures for Indian rupee last week. Next week also expecting the continue of investments from FIIs and crude oil price, if it is falling, that will be lead a strong rupee market next week. Last week UAE dirham closed at 19.90, Saudi riyal at 19.50, Qatari riyal at 20.07, Omani riyal at 189.89, Bahraini riyal at 193.93, Kuwaiti dinar at 239.39, Euro at 87.01, British pound at 97.59, Canadian dollar 55.83, Australian dollar 53.82. The global economy update. US Fed positive economic reports had triggered positive trend for global markets last week. Last week, US shown sign of economic recovery. Business activities and home sales reported massive jump. US stock markets were also covering 2020 losses. So US dollar weakened last week based on the US Federal Reserve decision to continue low interest rate strategy. So Germany has announced an additional 10 billion euro as coronavirus relief. Dubai's Expo construction works are expected to complete by end of 2020 and getting ready for Expo 2021. UAE reported lower inflation rate for the month of July. So World Bank released the latest ease of doing global business ranking. So India has jumped 14 places and reached the 63rd position in global ranking. India's business climate has been continuously increasing as per NITI Aayog.